In this video, we're going to talk about growing notes. Go into your crop planner because that's where you document anything that has to do with growing plants. And you're going to click the edit button. Scroll down to the bottom and click on notes. You can write anything you want in there. You can write the plant date, the first harvest, when you pinched them, when you applied netting, if you decided to fertilize them, whatever it might be that you're going to want to keep track of for next year. The reason you do that is because when you go into completed crops, once that crop is done blooming and you complete a crop, you will be able to see all of your notes throughout the entire season. So go and look at, straw flower, for example, on this video. Let's complete this crop. You still have your growing notes in there, and then there's the end of season notes. So there's two kinds of notes. So the growing notes are what you take throughout the entire season, and then the end of season notes are what you write when you complete it. So then when you go look year to year, you can look at your 2026 straw flower, and then you can see the notes that you took during the season and what you did at the very end. Now I'm reopening it just so that it doesn't go off of my active crop plan, but that is why it's so important to take those notes throughout the season. Make sure that you have them in there.